Hi guys, good evening everyone. Myself Dr. Swami from Certificate Secretary. The topic is the OSM models. OSM model is a reference model. And this model is a standardized framework developed by the ISO in 1984. In the OSM model is divided into 7 layers. The first one is the physical layer, and the second one is the data link layer, and the other one is the network layer. Fourth one is the transport layer, fifth one is the section layer, sixth one is the presentation layer, last one is the application layer. In physical layer, is responsible for it is responsible for the data transmission of raw bytes over physical media. Example of physical media: bypass. And second one is the data link layer. This layer is data transfer between the directly connected to nodes. Example for the data link layer is Ethernet, and third one is the network layer. Network layer is handles routing and the addresses to deliver packets to their destinations. Example of the network layer is IP. IP means Internet Protocol. And fourth one is the transport layer. Transport layer is a fast deliver data to end systems. And section layer is a handles of manages the handles and connections between the applications. And presentation layer is a handles the data, inscription, translation and compression. And last one is the application layer. Application layer is a it provides the services to the users. Thank you.